tree. I ain't got those sawmill together. Got my tanks on there. Got one log, piece of one. Still ain't lined up, but I got lined up. But, just wanted to show them. Add something else to the YouTube channel. Show you the logs over here. To start out with, this is just a jump part of it. Top of the trees. Walnuts. Got a bunch yet to come in. Got a bunch of pecan. Got some pine coming in. Having trouble with my old truck. Gotta get it fixed. And old sawmill. You know, you ain't gotta have a new one. One thing mine's got, yours ain't got, is a big motor. 20 or 22 horsepower Honda engine. Does great. A lot better than 9 and 13. So, you know, it does good. Maybe a little hot rod. It's gonna do alright. So we just want to make another movie and kind of show you around a little bit. Some more walnut logs here. We're gonna try to make some slabs out of them. Maybe for some tables and stuff. And the other logs are going to be a lot better than what these are. So I'm just showing you around a bit. These hydraulic mills, I think they're overrated. They still gotta get their slabs off. They still gotta get their lumbers off. They pay $50,000, $60,000 for those things, $25,000 in a tractor. I want to appeal to the working man, blue collar, rednecks, hillbillies. Hey, guys, you can do a little bit with nothing. So look around and find your mill. If you want to find a good used one, you can find one. And you ain't got to spend all that money that they show on TV. Seems like everybody's got the new mills and new tractors, and that's great for them. But you know, everybody can't afford that, so you know, just like the old cars I got, they're gonna be real good driving cars. They ain't gonna be show cars. Could make them a show car, but you know, the average person, that's what I want to cater to. Somebody like me, you know, just a poor guy. And, you know, find something that you want back. Same thing applies by cars. You know, you can buy a little welder and stuff or whatever and practice with that thing, and you'll be surprised what you can do if you try. Especially if you mess with old cars all your life and mechanic and what have you. So, you know, get out there and do something. Yeah, these big old logs like this have a Alaskan sawmill with a big husky saw. It'll cut up to 36 inches. Really ain't quite big enough for what I've got coming. I've got an oak log coming. It's going to be about 5 foot through. A couple of them big ones like that. Got a pecan. It's 36 inches at the butt. A lot of big stuff. I don't know how that's going to turn out, but I guess we'll see. Maybe y'all guys tune in. Yeah, the 36-inch pecan, it was from a previous video. I hope y'all get to watching. Appreciate you tuning in. this here is kind of like I put a strip between it to cover the crack up. That's one pattern. I'm going to show you another pattern over here. The old sawmill shed was built in 2000, about 22 years old. This year was built about the same time. The top of it's cut at an angle. The bottom's cut on 45, both of them. Right there, that's the water runoff. If you want it flat, you can do it this way. You shed the water. This is quite dry enough. It really needs to be really dry. You know, a lot of things you can do with sawmill.